A warm good morning to dear my students. Today we are going to discuss an important area of our income from salary, that is deductions from salary. We are all discussed in our first classes. Section 16 deals with deductions. See, what are the deductions which are available under section 16? There are three important deductions. First one, standard deduction under section 16 subsection 1. Entertainment allowance, section 16 subsection 2. Professional tax or employment tax, section 16 subsection 3. See, first one, standard deduction. It is applicable for all employees. It is allowed up to 50,000 or the amount of salary received, whichever is less. Suppose a person drawing 50,000 salary, the entire amount can be claimed as deduction under section 16. No need of pay 2 single rupee one as tax. Suppose a person drawing 40,000 as a salary, 40,000 can be claimed as deduction. Suppose a person drawing 1 lakh salary, 50,000 can be claimed as standard deduction. Many other deductions we are discussed. Here we are discussing only standard deduction. 50,000 is the amount limit which can be claimed as deduction under section 16 subsection 1. Entertainment allowance is we are discussed earlier. It is an allowance received by an employee. It is first included in the salary and deduction can be claimed. The deduction is allowed only to the government employees. None of the employees can be claimed this deduction. Only government employee. So let us say that entertainment allowance, a deduction, entertainment allowance can be claimed only for government employees. An amount of deduction can be claimed by using the list of the following. First, 5,000 per annum, 20% of the basic salary. The amount of entertainment allowance actually received here basic salary only. Okay. Whichever is these three limits, 5,000, 20% of salary, amount of actual amount received. So which one is the basic least one can be claimed as deduction. Okay. Here basic salary means only basic salary, no DA or DP or nothing, that we have to take into account. Then third tax deduction, that is professional tax or employment tax. Every individual have to pay some amount as a professional tax to the local or municipality or other government bodies as professional tax. That can be claimed as deduction under section 16. It is an employment tax levied by the state government or any local authority or corporation or whatever it is name. That is called professional tax. It is eligible for deduction. Whatever amount paid can be claimed as deduction. These are the important deduction. The next important one, that is section 89 subsection 1, relief. Relief under section 89. It is provided to reduce additional tax burden. How it will happen? Due to delay in receiving income of arrear of salary or advance salary or arrears of family pension received in the financial year. Suppose we are receiving current financial year salary along with the previous financial year salary. So we have to pay additional tax burden only because of that we are not received previous year salary during that period. So when it is received, we have to pay double, twice or 2 years tax burden. So in order to reduce this additional tax burden, we can claim relief under section 89. So these are all the important deductions under section salary. Okay. By these words, let us conclude today's class. Now we move to next area, that is retirement benefit. Thank you to all.